Welcome to Buchanan View, Glasgow, a modern and vibrant student accommodation located in the heart of the city. Let's take a closer look at what makes this place a fantastic choice for your student life. The spacious, fully furnished bedrooms offer plenty of storage and a peaceful retreat. The modern kitchen comes with sleek appliances, while the clean and private washrooms are perfect for your daily routine. For studying, the dedicated study area provides a quiet and comfortable environment. You're just a 5-minute walk to Glasgow Caledonian University and 12 minutes to the University of Strathclyde. Tesco Express, Lidl, and Sainsbury's local are nearby, with bus stops just minutes away. The University of Glasgow is a 40-minute bus ride. Buchanan View offers flexible payment plans, monthly, termly, or annually, with all utility bills included. Enjoy benefits like international guarantor acceptance, contents insurance, on-site car parking, bike storage, a game room, 24/7 security, concierge services, and social events. Plus, get free dual occupancy for a limited time. Book your room today at Buchanan View and experience the best of student living in Glasgow.